Remember I was showing you guys this stuff before. This is the stuff that I got from, I found some old mail I was cleaning, trying to make good use of my time. I was off of work today. And it's a Kobe Bryant. Not even sure what he's doing. Looks like he's jab stepping. But anyways, all this stuff here. Some Maddox, Tom Brady, Maddox, as in Greg Maddox, Tom Brady. I don't even know what year this is. But like I said, I got these things at least 4, 5, 6 years ago. Another Brady. He used to play this game. There's another Maddox and Cy Young. That's pretty cool. Eli Jimenez, first year. I have no idea who this is. First I thought it was a Yankee, but it looks like a White Sox guy. No, it was a New York Yankee. Alright, anyways, there's another Brady. Like, I don't know what this thing keeps moving on me. I moved it like 3 times now. Oh, it's because of stupid wire. That's what it is. Stupid wire. It's like a total waste of 2 minutes. See, I could either have a shorter video for once. Either have a shorter video, or I can get as much stuff in as possible. Alright, there's another Brady. There's a Christian Yelich rookie card. I can look at that though. It's crazy. Yelich rookie. I think that's Bowman. I have no idea who that is. Maybe Brandon Phillips. That's what it looks like. Autograph of Brandon Phillips. There's another Brady. There's another Brady. There's another. Nope, that's a numbered card of Jim McMahon from the Bears. Yeah, like stupid thing moves on you like that, and look what happens. Video becomes creepy. Funny because I kept moving this. So what do you... about that? Only on this backdrop here. Stupid wire keeps pulling on the camera. That's what's pissing me off. Trying not to get the computer. The computer. Alright, hopefully this works. Oh my god! Really? Scummy piece of garbage. They got the damn thing sideways. So this stupid wire keeps stops pulling on it like that. Alright. Mickey Mantle, Kirby Puckett, second card. Gary Carter, Flair, Clayton Kershaw, rookie. Cal Ripken, some kind of special card. Rock and Roll, an insert. Autograph. Don't know who that is. There's a Terry Bradshaw, Frank Thomas. There's a Steelers Quad Series patch. Adrian Beltre, rookie card. Jeter. Frank Thomas. Tiger Woods. Who is this? I can't think of his name. I know who it is. It's the guy that... Kurt Warner, maybe? Is that his name? Yep, Kurt Warner. Mark Brunell. Emmett Smith. Michael Adams. Andy Pettit. Nolan Ryan. Ken Griffey Jr. Nolan Ryan. Ty Cobb. Manny Ramirez and Nomar Garciaparra. Double thread. Ron Santo. Mr. Hockey. Gordie Howe. William Perry. Jackie Robinson. Lance Lynn, rookie refractor. Mark McGuire. I have no idea who this is. It says Matt Barnes. Michael Pineda, rookie. Yeah. I'm just going to go through these quick. Buster Posey. Rosarina. Scumbag. Luis Gonzalez. Scumbag. Bucky Dent, cloth card from 77. Goldschmidt. Miguel Cabrera. That might be his rookie. McCutcheon, rookie. I don't know. It looks like one of those. Leader cards. Clayton Kershaw. Griffey. I don't know who that is. I can't tell. Maybe Christian Betancourt. It looks like him, but I can't tell who that is. Griffey. Buster Posey. Piazza. Another Michael Pineda rookie. And Brian McCann from the Yanks. Well, he played for a couple different teams. I think he played for Atlanta. He might have played for the Dodgers. Although there was two Brian McCanns in the league at the same time, so who knows. This video sucks. I looked at this already. It was 5 rookie cards that were worth $5 a piece, and I got them for $14. What do we got here? David Robinson. What the hell is this? Frank Thomas. Mark McGuire. Crap card. These are all backwards for some reason. Oh, that was Wayne Gretzky. Dale Murphy, Barry Bonds, Deion Sanders, Albert Pujols. Who is that? Looks like David. No, it's not. It's Tim Duncan. Frank Thomas, Mickey Mantle. Oh my God, this is crazy. George Brett autograph. Albert Pujols, Willie Stargell. Duke Snyder. Tim Hudson. Mike Schmidt. Brett Butler. David Justice. Don Mattingly. Who is this? Miguel Cabrera. I don't even know. Oh, Nomar Garciaparra. Mariano Rivera. Steve Sachs, it looks like. Yep, Steve Sachs. Keon Broxton. Chase DeJong. Tony Gwynn, Flair. Geno I Suck, Smith. Geno I Sucked even in college, Smith. Tried to give me a Heisman until I played a good team and got beat 63-0. then they stopped talking about me for the Heisman. That's why the Jets suck. The Jets drafted this guy who sucked. Why would you draft Geno Smith out of West Virginia when he sucked? All right, Chris Chambliss, Joe DiMaggio, Joey Votto. Yeah, sorry if you're your brother or cousin, or if that was your favorite team, but Geno Smith blew, and that's why the Jets suck, because they always make dumb decisions like that. Let's pick up a guy who sucks and make him our number one pick. I can't tell who this is. It's an autograph, and I really didn't want to open this, but it's Matt Chapman. And I got a Bill Belichick autograph card on the back. What do I have in the middle? Derek Jeter and Dansby Swanson. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, right there we go. All right. Now that was the first calm, and I don't know if I want to do anymore because this setup really sucks. All right, I got 1133. Let's see if I got anything good here. Derek Carr, Ray Lewis, Cam Newton, Jarvis Landry, Juju Smith-Schuster, Jordan Love, rookie. This is definitely not from Henderson. This is newer stuff. Alright, so this is just two different... Oh, I know why. Because there was room in that first column there. And I put Dave's stuff after I opened up the mail from when I got his stuff. Alright, that's... Oh, okay. Here's what the rest of the stuff is. Okay. I got some old... I want to say these are 65s. Yep, 1960. Wait, hold on. These can't be 65s. These are 66s. I got like 2,000 cards in here of 66s. No big deal. David Segui. Matty Alou. Got some good players in there. Alright, and then the second row of that is same thing. Another 1,000. Ooh, excuse me. Another 1,000 cards of 1966 baseball cards. So that's it. I'm not showing that. Alright. Yeah, Dave, I used to buy sets. I used to buy chances in his games. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to start up a game, and I'm going to have different games of different things. And that game was pretty cool, actually. I don't remember what he called it, but it was good. That was cool. And everyone, I mean, people were killing. I think he charged $20 a spot or something. Maybe it was $10 a spot, but people would be buying like so many spots. You'd be like, okay, I got to limit this to 3 spots. You could only buy $30 worth of stuff. He was like, $30 was the most you could spend on any one turn. Then someone else got to take a turn, and people were just, oh man, he must have been making $4,000 or $5,000 a night. Although he was giving away stuff pretty cheap. But I don't know. I forget what he called it, but I think I'll call my version "Win My Cards." All right, guys. Thanks for watching.